Dear students, today we are going for method study. It is the part of work study. Basically, method study is the systematic procedure of recording, analysis, and critical examination of new or existing method of doing the work for the purpose of development and application of easier and more effective method. It is essentially concerned with the finding better ways of doing the things. Maybe there are more methods, 2, 4, 5, but you have to select one of the most effective that will enhance the productivity and reduces the core objective is the to examine, reveal the true facts concerning the current situations, to examine all those facts critically, to develop from the examination of the facts the best answer possible under the given circumstances, to improve the plant layout and design of the factory, to improve working process and working condition, working environment, and the better utilization of the material, plant equipment, manpower, to improve design and specification of the end product. There are three considerations of the method study. First one is the economic. Whatever you are going to select the method, that must be the economic. In your company, first identify all the methods and make a chart having the cost, waste, repetitive operation, material handling, keeping all these parameters and draw a Pareto analysis. Select those methods which consumes more cost, more time, more waste, and attack it first, and try to minimize the cost, time, and all those things. That is the part of economic consideration. And otherwise, technical consideration, technology is too fast, so analyze the process for the fast technology like automation, robotization, etc. Whether it would be introduced, then the overall profit in long term will be good. Human consideration, whatever you are going to select the method, that will that should be easy to handle, because ultimately each and every operation have to handle by the only human being. This analysis involves location of those operations which present the source of dissatisfaction or annoyance to the worker due to fatigue or unsafe environment. Procedure of the method study: first, select the job which you have to study, obtain the information and record about the job, examine the information very critically, develop the most practical, economical, and effective method by considering real limitation, current situation under the given situation, install the new method as standard practice, maintain and continue the standard practice by regular follow up. Then only we can get the profit from the implementation of new methods. That is the shortcut: select, record, examine, develop, and evaluate the method study which we have developed. These are exist tools and technique for the recording of facts. First one is the chart. There are various type of the chart based on sequence: outline process chart, flow process chart, two-handed process chart based on time scale, multiple activity chart, and SIMO chart, that is also called simultaneous motion chart. After chart, there is diagram which helps in method study. It may be the flow diagram, a string diagram, travel chart, cycle graph, chronocycle graph. First one is the process chart. Process chart uses its standard 5 symbols. First one is the operation. Next one is inspection. That means inspection is symbolized by the square. Transportation is indicated by arrow. Delay by D. Delay will be always temporary. Storage, that means inventory, work in process inventory, etc. If there are two parallel event or parallel operation, then it can be indicated like this. That means operation is going, and along with the operation the inspection is also going, whether it is having good quality or not. The outline flow process chart, it uses only two symbols. Outline flow process chart, that means it is just a line diagram. It uses only two symbols, operation and inspection. It provides an overall picture of the process. Primarily, it is used to show the sequence of operation and inspection for a manufacturing or assembly kinds of job. Next one is the flow process chart that we are already discussing. All the 5 symbols provide the total sum detail of the process. It may be man type, material type, in which every symbol is related to activity of the worker. Material type, every symbol is related to the material of the job or document. Another is the machine type chart, in which utilization of machine and equipment will be shown. These are few of the diagrams which are used in the method study. First is the string diagram. In this, all the operations are shown by the string. First one is the cutting operation, finishing operation, sack, delay, check, inspection. These are the process, but these are little bit hodgepodge. It is not in proper sequence. Then we have make it in a proper sequence, that is called a string diagram, that we can see sheet metal, cutting, drilling, folding. These are the check, sack, and it is the start point, this is the end point. Next one is the flow diagram. We can draw the flow diagram and travel chart, that we will discuss. These are the string diagram that we have already discussed. That means we have to make the process in a proper sequence, and we have to aid with the thread, and we have to measure the length of the thread. The overall length should be minimum as possible. Then it is called a string diagram. The main purpose of the string diagram, that we have to minimize the length of the time or distance from one location to another location. Flow diagram, basically these are the flow sequence. First, which operation will take place, then what next, then what will be next. If yes, then it will go this, if no, then it will go this one. This is the basic diagram of a industrial process.
अब जाते जाते हम यह उम्मीद कर सकते हैं कि आज आपने जो वीडियो देखा काफी कुछ समझ में आया होगा। और यदि आपको कुछ कम समझ में आया है तो इसको आप एक बार और देखिए। साथ में ही मैं आपको बताना चाहूंगा कि इस वीडियो में जो टॉपिक था उससे रिलेटेड या सब्जेक्ट से रिलेटेड और वीडियो देखने के लिए हमेशा प्लेलिस्ट में जाइए, जहां पर 200 प्लस वीडियोज उपलब्ध हैं। और इस वीडियो के द्वारा जो नॉलेज मिला, जो आपकी स्किल डेवलप हुई और हमने जो अपने अनुभव शेयर किए, हम उम्मीद करते हैं कि यह आपके जीवन में नित्य नई उन्नति के द्वार खोलेंगे। और जाते जाते मैं यही कहना चाहता हूं कि आप सभी स्वस्थ रहिए, मस्त रहिए, मुस्कुराते रहिए। साथ में ही यह मुस्कुराहट अपने दोस्तों के साथ भी, अपने क्लासमेट के साथ, अपने शुभचिंतकों के साथ भी शेयर करते रहिए। धन्यवाद, धन्यवाद।